YouTube. What do we have going on today? We picked up this 4x5 inch metal bandsaw with a little Taiwan. It's actually manufactured in '83, so the legs are a little beefier than the ones that they import now. But it needed some skates to get around in the garage. So the skate is a cheapy Harbor Freight unit with a piece of plywood in the middle to fill the void, but the leg caps are electrical boxes with one of the sides cut out. I love using stuff that you don't have to modify much to get it to be functional, because if you were to weld up or build cleats with wood, it would have taken a whole lot more time and effort. But another use for electrical boxes, you can make yourself some nice cheap skates for your machine shop tools. These are bolted, screwed down there, and eventually we'll put some connecting angle iron between the two skates so that they act as one unit. And we can now move this little heavy SOB around without too much consternation and very little cost. Till next time, bye.